After I learned this recipe of apple, I never stopped making it. On a board, grate 4 units of apples. Look at this texture. Who doesn't love apple? And the smell already begins to invade the kitchen. Then pour the juice of a lemon unit over the apples already inside a bowl and mix. This will give a refreshing touch and prevent our apples from turning brown. In another bowl, add 3 units of egg, vanilla to taste and mix. Vanilla is the hidden star of this recipe. A little smell that will make everyone curious. Now, add 80 milliliters of sunflower oil, 100 milliliters of milk, 120 g of sugar and mix again. Sweating the life, isn't it? Look at that creaminess. With the help of a sieve, add 200 g of wheat flour and stir very well. The sieve is your friend. Let's make everything light and fluffy. Complete with 11 g of baking powder and mix again. That's what will make our cake grow and look wonderful. Then add the apples and mix everything very well. Ah, now yes. It's time to give life to our cake. Add cinnamon to taste. Because cinnamon is like a warm hug, right? It makes all the difference. Soon after, transfer everything to a buttered form and bake in the preheated oven at 170 degrees for 35 minutes. The magic is about to happen. Finish with sugar to taste. The final touch that turns a simple cake into a masterpiece. And here it is. Our apple cake with shaved slices is ready to be consumed. A spectacle of flavor. Did you like this recipe? So don't forget to like and follow our page for more amazing tips like this. Bon appetit and see you next culinary adventure.